Alright, here's my fireworks stash without the smoke grenades, because I had them in every single one of my videos. I had some update. I got this whole bag of firecrackers. No, hold on a second. I'm gonna get a little bit brighter here. There we go. Alright, so let me put this right here. I have the lady fingers, the little pop-ups, and another thing. M90s. Hold on. I have M1000s in here too. Where are they? Shit. Thousands, M1000s. Oh yeah, little fountain. I have like a whole box of these, but that one fell off. Oh, crap. Crackling ball. Here they are. TNT Red Devil M1000 firecrackers. I have 4 of these things. And in addition to that, I've got these little guys. It's pretty cool. They're built much better than if you just rip them out of jumping jacks or like lady fingers. Kind of sucks if you do that. Yeah, so. And then I've got a bunch of these now. Like tons of these, a whole box of them right here. Those are my, you saw them in previous videos probably. Oh yeah, the cuckoo fountain. It's supposed to be really awesome. It's gonna be awesome shit here. So yeah. I got my cosmic green. One shot. Floral shell. Then I got my brand new multicolor 1-inch assorted fountains. 5 pieces. It's like a bunch of different colors. You know, a lot of that cool stuff on there. And we got, so yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I mean, I want to get way more, and then I shoot these off on 4th of July. So, peace.